So one really cool thing we can do with variants in Webflow is create components for headings that we can toggle when they're in the slot. So what I've done here is I've got a load of heading components laid out here. And what you can see on the right hand side is I've got a load of variants controlling the size. I can control the tag of that heading, the text, and I can have some custom classes as well. So for example, if I want to go, okay, I want that to be the H3 size, that could be a H2 size, but it's going to be a H3, that's going to be the H1. You can see that now I can control everything from here. So how is that set up? Well, I've got this text in a component here. So all it is a simple starter text, and in this instance I used the H1. And then I've attached a property to the tag, and I've attached a property to the text. I've also attached a property to a custom attribute called class. And then when I look at styles, essentially what I've done is created a load of variants based on sizes. So let's go and look at the base. So this is the base. So it's just on a class called heading text. And then you can see here that I'm now just making sure that that is using my H1 size. Okay. And then on H2, it's another variant. I'm just changing this to H2. H3, it's H3, H4, it's H4. You can see, so all it is doing is saying, okay, look at that variant and take the styles, and all I've done is change the size. Now you could create more variants here with different elements, but I feel like keeping it nice and slimmed down to this kind of mode is a really good way to structure things. And then you could use the parent. So for example, I've got a section here and I've actually got different themes. I've got different themes to control the colors. So we've got a primary, we've got a secondary, and we've got a bold. And we're using that to control the colors regardless of what's inside. So I've also done this for a paragraph. So I've got content paragraph. So in here, I've got the base. I need to refine this a little bit, but I've got text large, text medium, text small. And again, I've got the paragraph text here. And what I could do, I could actually go in and make this a little bit better here and just add a custom attribute here and say, right, we want a class. And I could say, I want a paragraph custom class and add that. So now this has now got a custom class as well, which means I could do all sorts of stuff, knowing that I've got loads of utility classes at my disposal. Maybe I've got something that just increases the line height a little bit for some of them. But yeah, this is really cool.